Hi, everyone. Today teach you Mercedes-Benz ML Central Control upgrade. This is its original appearance. First of all, we disassemble the air conditioning panel. Then, remove the silver decoration frame of the CD host. Then, pull the two buckles down. Now the CD host can be taken out. There is a plug on this side. We pull it out. Now we will take out the CD host doll, unplug the power plug on the back of it. Here, twist off the two screws that fix the air outlet. Then a screwdriver is inserted into the side of the air outlet to resist the metal, shrapnel, and the air outlet can be removed. Now we screw these two screws off and remove the original car screen. Demolition has been completed. Then start the installation. Okay, we will install the hardware bracket fixed. Now we pull out the original car optical fiber and insert it into the new power head. Then connect the new power supply to the other end of the original car power supply, and then connect the original CD host. Here, the white head of the new power supply is inserted into the hardware bracket. Okay. Now we insert the AMI transfer line into the original car jack. Then the AUX output plug on the new power supply is connected to the AMI adapter. Now connect a transfer cable to the LVDS plug of the original car. Then install the new air outlet. Now connect the other end of the LVDS adapter cable to the screen power plug to the new screen. Install the screen according to the buckle and slot. Now install the air conditioning button panel. Then connect the CD host side plug and install the host back. Finally, the installation of the silver frame is completed. Because it is the first installation, we have to enter the original car system to switch the audio to the AUX output, so that we can use the Android system can be normal voice. In addition, it is very rich in functionality, support for local or online maps, support synchronous original car air conditioning information, can dial Bluetooth phone, can listen to Bluetooth music, support wireless CarPlay Android Auto. You can call here, listen to music, use online maps and other mobile applications. Support original car reversing camera. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching.